What's up guys? Today we will talk about 4 secret tips and tricks of WhatsApp, and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Like the video, share the video. Let's get started. So first, update your WhatsApp and check out the version, and after the version is 2.20.194.16, and our first trick is how to send animated sticker. So simply go in any chat, and after that click on plus icon and click on प्लस आइकन. आफ्टर दैट आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि लाइव स्टिकर के ऊपर आपको यहाँ पे प्ले बटन देखने को मिलेगा. यहाँ पे आपको क्लिक करना एंड इसके बाद आपको यहाँ पे डाउनलोड के ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करना है. एंड after that go in the stickers option and simply tap on this any sticker, and you are able to send to another person. And our second trick is how to hide your last scene if any person send you message and you not wants to show your last scene. So simply click here the reply option and reply, and after that you see here the message are come but the last scene are not so. And now our third trick is how to chat any person without save their contact. Simply open the setting and click here the QR code icon, and after that scan this code in another person phone, and after that now you see the chat has opened, and from here you can share the QR code from any app, and from here you can reset the code. And guys, our fourth trick is, जैसे कि आपको पता ही होगा कि बहुत लोग अपने स्टेटस पे बहुत सारे लिंक शेयर करते हैं, और जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारी स्पेस फुल हो जाती है, एंड आप एक स्टेटस पे ही बहुत सारे लिंक शेयर कर सकते हैं, एंड दिस लिंक आर क्लिकेबल. एंड